Okay, okay, let's now unbox and take a look at the Palm Shaver. So here's the box. At the back, just a little bit more about it. Now, as you can see, it's the 3-blade shaver we're using today. Let's pop it open and take a look what comes inside. So to start with there, you've got the instructions, so how to set it all up, which I'll show you guys how to do as we go through it. You can also change your blades in this as well. We'll talk about that shortly, but you can go from the 3 blades into more blades if you want, and a bit more about the accessories in there. Now let's have a look in the box. So here's a Palm Shaver to start with. Now, I'll start on this and go back to the rest of it. So there's a Palm Shaver there. Now it comes with a plastic case on top, which obviously stops the blades from getting you. What I like about this is ergonomic grip. So you can grip it there when you're looking at doing a shave. Take this off there. Now have a look. Now these are 3 different blades that actually flex when they're on your head. So as you can see, I'm pressing them down there. It means they can actually move. Now I'm not sure if these actually come off like ones I've looked at in the past. I'll have to check that out for you guys. So I have to check out how to clean those shortly. I'll do that. There it is there. Now to turn on, you have to just press the button there. Green light comes on. And there are the razors spinning. Now, as I said, it's very safe. See, not hurting me at all. So we'll stop that there. It's a Palm Shaver logo. As you can see, this is quite flexible too. It moves when you use it, so it's quite good. So I'll put that down there. But as you can see, it looks like it's quite well built, good quality product. Let's go back and look and see what's in the box as well. So you've got the charging cable. So obviously you need to be able to charge it. Now I reckon it's got 60 minutes battery life on this, which is pretty good, I reckon. So there's the charger, which plugs in. You've got the brush to clean the blades. You've got some oil. Good idea to keep it lubricated, so you can make sure the blades work properly. And here's the ear and nose trimmer as well. So I might just show you guys quickly how easy this is to put in. So grab this, pull it off like that. Grab this in here, and then just pop it in like that. So nice and easy. And then press the button. You can start using it. So there it is there. What I want to do, guys, now is that's why you can change the blades as well. So there's 3 on here. You could change to the 4 one if you want, or also the 5 one, which is in here. We're going to test it on my head in a moment on the 5 one, so you can see how it looks. So that's it there. But a very, very nice system. So let's go and jump in and use it now.